from hat to mat and napkin rings. I could not find a placemat in a natural color this summer that I wanted to pay full price for. I thought, what would make a good mat? Yes, I thought a hat from Dollar Tree. I started where the brim met the crown of the hat and unraveled until I got to the circular part of the top of the hat. So you have a lot of unraveled parts in between the top of the hat and the brim of the hat. Then you start putting it all together again. You can hot glue starting at the brim of the hat all the way until you meet the flat circular part of the top of the hat. When you're all done with it, it is a circular area about 13.5 inches in circumference. Well, you know I had to make napkin rings to go with the placemat. So I took a paper towel roll and started wrapping the strand of the hat in and out of the paper towel until you get to the end. Once you have arrived at the end, then you put a strand around the whole circumference of the napkin ring. When you have finished that, it still looks a little plain, so you want to do something that makes it a little special. So I decided to make a double bow to put on the top of the napkin ring. Then you can style it any way that you like. So keep watching for what I am going to do after I make at least 4 placemats and napkin rings. I am going to do a fall tablescape, so you have to keep watching for the complete tablescape using what I have made from a Dollar Tree hat. So if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at Z9Design.